Nice views.
Hey Barry, immortality.
We just had a couple days left in Andorra, which also means just a couple days left of vacation. So we decided to take it easy, go for short hikes, relax at the apartment, and enjoy the last moments in this beautiful country.
We are going to this lake of here. This one. So let's go.
How was it?
Fine.
Fine?
Yes.
I don't like getting too close to the cows with Marley, especially with all the babies. They are so cute. This is a short hike to a cute little lake, perfect for lazy days and swimming lover dogs. You just gotta be careful with the cows. They usually roam free and are harmless, but with so many little calves and a dog, I won't risk annoying them by getting too close. Do you think he's gonna swim?
Are you scared?
A little bit. They are so cute but so scary. Our last full day in Andorra was a truly lazy one. We spent the morning home, drawing and relaxing, and went to visit some mountain passes in the afternoon.
You wanna miss this place?
Yes.
And you, Marley?
God.
Marley? No?
But good thing of going back home is that we have our espresso machine. Last day in Andorra, we packed coffee and croissants, cleaned the apartment, put all our stuff in the car, and went to have breakfast in the woods. Breakfast time. Our breakfast, Marley's breakfast. The last one, Marley. There's no more birthday cake until next year.
You want? What are you doing?
I'm getting ready. If we have to run, I'm ready. Your backpack is there, it's not a problem. Don't come. Stay there. Good girl. No, don't come here. Marley, ven aquí. Marley, ven aquí.
And then we were eaten by a cow.
What? That's not what happened.
It's hot?
What?
It's hot?
It hurts. It's so cold. You want to swim?
No?
You're wearing shorts.
I'm
You
fine.
can put your legs up to here.
No, I'm fine.
I can feel my legs.
Marley, bem, Marley. All the day.
Pensa en què desitges. A que t'agrada viure en un lloc així en muntanya i poder sortir sempre. Vale? Tu pensa això. Jo no te vull dir que has de desitjar, però pensa-ho. 3, 2, 1...
I say for you.